Welcome to What If It All Goes Right, the podcast where we flip the script on obstacles and turn them into opportunities. I'm Angela Gargano, 6-time American Ninja Warrior, Miss Fitness America, keynote speaker, and someone who knows firsthand what it's like to face setbacks and wonder, is this for me? I've torn my ACL on national television, worked the 12-hour overnight shifts as a biochemist, and battled my own doubts about how to chase my goals while juggling life's chaos. But through it all, I've learned one powerful truth. It's not about avoiding challenges, it's about how you view them. The difference between success and staying stuck, it's all in your mindset and what you do next. This podcast is here to remind you that every single person you admire has faced obstacles. The real magic happens when you decide to see those hardships as stepping stones to something greater. Each week, we'll dive into powerful stories and practical tools and mindset shifts to help you take control of your life and ask the big question, what if it all goes right? You'll leave each episode empowered, inspired, and equipped with the actionable steps to create the life you've been dreaming of. Because the truth is, you're stronger than you think, and your obstacles are just opportunities in disguise. Let's rewrite your story together. Get ready to feel inspired, take action, and see what happens when you start asking, what if it all goes right? Hey there, and welcome back to What If It All Goes Right, the podcast where we shift our mindset, step into our highest selves, and create momentum towards the life we truly desire. Now, today I'm bringing you something a little different. We're going to be doing a 5-minute walking meditation. This is what we talked about in the series yesterday, where we were talking about doing this What If It All Goes Right walk. And I want to do this so that you could really help you to shift your energy, clear your mind, and tap into the highest version of yourself. I know it can be really hard to sometimes do this on your own, and we can easily get caught up in stress, overthinking, worst case scenario thinking. And sometimes we really do spiral and we forget to pause and ask ourselves the what if it all goes right question. So this meditation is designed to bring you back to that question, to help you really get back to that present moment, because sometimes it's really hard to get out of our heads and back into our bodies. So by the end of this, you're going to feel lighter, more aligned, deeply connected to your best self. And I encourage you to listen to this for the next 7, 14, 30, maybe 90 days, because the more you refine these thoughts, the more they become second nature, the more of a reality it's going to become. And if you can listen to this in the morning to set the tone for your day or before bed, that's when our subconscious mind is the most receptive to this. So this will be very, very powerful to do it in this way. Another thing you can do after you listen to my walking meditation is you could potentially make one of these meditations for yourself and speaking to yourself, which is really cool. And then you can pair it with high frequency music, which is something I've actually done before. But that might be too complicated or a little too much for people. So that's why I wanted to make something that you could utilize and use as a resource and always come back to. All right, let's dive into the meditation. Right now, I want you to take a deep breath in, let it out slowly. And as you're walking, I want you to feel your feet on the ground as you take each step. Notice your body moving effortlessly, supporting you. This is your moment. This is your space. With each step you take, you're stepping into possibility. You're stepping into your power. You're stepping into a life where everything is working for you. As you walk, I want you to picture the best version of yourself. The version of you who is confident. The version of you who wakes up excited for the day. The version of you who trusts that everything is unfolding perfectly. See yourself moving through the world with ease, with certainty, with joy. Now let's anchor this in with some affirmations. With each step you take, I want you to repeat after me, silently in your mind or out loud if you feel comfortable. I am powerful beyond measure. Everything I desire is already on its way to me. I trust the timing of my life. I am becoming stronger, wiser, and more aligned every day. I am exactly where I need to be. I am stepping into the version of me who creates success with ease. I choose to believe that everything is working in my favor. I am worthy. I am ready. I am unstoppable. I am powerful beyond measure. Everything I desire is already on its way to me. I trust the timing of my life. I am becoming stronger, wiser, and more aligned every day. I am exactly where I need to be. I am stepping into the version of me who creates success with ease. I choose to believe that everything is working out in my favor. I am worthy. I am ready. I'm unstoppable. I am powerful beyond measure. Everything I desire is already on its way to me. I trust the timing of my life. I am becoming stronger, wiser, and more aligned every day. I am exactly where I need to be. I am stepping into the version of me who creates success with ease. I choose to believe that everything is working out in my favor. I am worthy. I am ready. I am unstoppable. Now I want you to feel this version of yourself. I want you to breathe in, hold it, let it settle in your body, and breathe out. Let's breathe in again. Hold it, let it settle in your body, and breathe out. This isn't something you have to force. It's already inside of you. You are that person. You always have been. And now, with each step, you're choosing to live in alignment with that truth. Take a moment to smile as you walk, to feel the gratitude, the lightness, the certainty that everything is going right. You already are on that path. You are already becoming. And now, as we start to close this meditation, I want you to take one last deep breath in, let it out, and bring your awareness back to your surroundings. I want you to take a moment as you're walking to notice the sounds around you. And listen a little deeper, a little further. What can you hear? I want you to observe the colors around you of the trees and the sky and the ground. I want you to smell in that fresh air. Is it cold and crisp or warm? And as you continue this walk, I want you to carry this feeling with you. I want you to continue picturing you on this walk as this best version of yourself. Get in tune with how they feel, how tall they're standing, who they're surrounded by. Continue to try and get a little clearer each time with each step that you take. And when you get home, I want to challenge you to take it one step further. I want you to sit down, grab your phone, write down on a piece of paper what it actually feels like to go right. I want you to write out what your life looks like when everything is going right. You can take this and record it out loud on your own, and you can play it every morning or night for the next 7 days. or simply just continue to listen to this meditation as you continue to get clearer and clearer of what that version of you really truly looks like. When you listen to your own voice, affirming your highest potential, that is powerful. That is requiring your subconscious mind. That is a reminder that transformation doesn't happen overnight, but with repetition, with commitment, and the willingness to shift your focus, you will feel the difference. I want to thank you so much for coming on this walk with me. If you love this episode, let me know, screenshot it, tag me at Angela_Gargano, and share what resonates with you the most, or maybe even share with me what that highest version of yourself is looking like. And as you go throughout your day, I want you to keep asking yourself, what if it all goes right?